Hello, Tom. Good evening. How are you today?
I'm good, teacher.
Okay. How are you today? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So how are you today? You're fine?
I'm good, teacher.
I'm good. Okay, that's good to hear. Okay, we will start now the lesson because we are already 20 minutes late. Okay, we'll start. We will be until what time is it there? It's 7:20. So we will be until 8:30. Okay. Okay, I will hear. Okay, Tom. So here we are going to have it. Okay. Oh my God. So we are now here, Tom, in Unit 10. We are in Unit 10. So we are in Unit 10. So our lesson is about when will the sports be? Sports Day be. Okay.
Singing
Independence
contest.
Day.
So we have here the Independence Day, the singing contest.
Take
Sports
part
Day.
in.
Win.
Okay, wait for a while. So we have here, I will check first. So we are now in Independence Day. So you know the word Independence Day, Tom? You know this word?
No.
Okay. Independence Day, it's the word of freedom. You are free. Okay, it's the word of freedom. 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 It means you are free. Okay. It's the word of freedom. It means that you are free. You are free. It is the word of freedom, so it means that you are free. Freedom. Okay, it means you are free. Okay, another here. So singing contest. You know singing contest? You will have to sing. You know that?
Yeah.
Okay, so have you joined the singing contest? Have you joined?
Mm.
Did you join singing contest?
Oh.
Did you join the singing contest?
No.
Oh no. Okay, here. So sports day. You know sports day? That's your favorite day, I knew. You love sports, right? I
Yeah.
knew you love. So what sports do you like, Tom?
I like play football.
Football, teacher. I love football. Oh my God, football. Okay. How about football? Okay, we have here football. Okay, so we have here take part in. You know the word take part in. What is that?
Oh.
What do you mean by the word take part in? What is that?
Mm.
It means take part in. It means take part in means
Uh,
you will
you are
go.
free.
Oh, no. Here. This one. Take part in means you will Join. Okay. When you say take part in, it means that you will join. You will join. Okay, you will join the meeting. So take part in, so you will join. You will go. Okay, here. Next, okay. Next is win. You know the word win. I win the
Yeah.
battle. I win, I win, I win, I win. You know that word?
Win.
Yeah, you know win?
Yeah.
Okay, you know the word win?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, teacher. I know the word win. Okay. So, Tom, this will be your homework later. You will have to do this. Okay, later I will discuss. So now you understand Independence Day. What is Independence Day again? It means freedom. Again,
Yeah.
freedom, teacher. Freedom means, it means that you are free. You know the word free, right?
Yeah.
Okay, teacher, I know the word free. Okay, singing contest. Singing contests. You know the word singing contest, right?
No, no.
Okay, no, no,
Yeah.
teacher. Singing contest. Okay, next is here. Okay, you will have to look, listen, and repeat, Tom. You will have to look, listen, and repeat. Okay? Okay, Tom?
I'm
Okay.
Yeah.
looking for Fong.
He's in the
Where
gym.
is he?
Okay. I'm looking for Fong. Where is he?
He is in the dream.
He is in the gym. Very good. Okay, next one.
What's he doing there?
I think he's practicing for sports day.
What he's doing there?
I think he's practicing for sport day.
Practicing.
Practicing.
You know the word practicing? You know the word practice? Like
Yeah.
what they did. I will practice football. Okay, it's in the gym. Practice. Next.
When will sports day be?
On Saturday.
Okay, when will sports day be, Tom?
On Saturday.
Oh,
Teacher.
on Saturday. Very good. I love the answer, Tom. Next one here.
Will you take
Yes, I
part
will.
in sports day?
Will you take part in sports day, Tom?
Yes, I will.
Very good. Now we have here the grammar. Okay, thank you for replying, teacher. But I need to check this one. Okay, so the grammar, we have here the grammar. Is it? Win well. Okay, so listen, Tom. When teacher will use the word win will, so this is for future. Teacher Anne is asking when will. Okay, teacher Anne is asking when will. So it means, Tom, it means it's not happening yet. Not yet. Okay, teacher Anne will say when will. So it's not happening yet. Okay, when will singing contest be? Okay, I will asking, when will singing contest be? It will be on Sunday. Okay, I will ask to you, Tom, when will be the sports day? Tom, when will be the sports day?
Please be on Saturday.
On Saturday, teacher. So it will be on Saturday. Oh, very good. Okay, very good. It will be on Saturday. Okay. Yes, it will be on Saturday. So teacher is asking, when will singing contest be? It will be on
Saturday.
Saturday. Very good. I will ask one more. Another question. Tom, practice. Let's practice. Tom, when When will you go to the beach?
Be on Monday.
Oh, yeah, very good. It will be on Monday, teacher. You understand this? Do you understand
Monday.
this? Okay, do you understand this?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Yay, great job. My tummy, very good. My tummy, very good. Okay, Tom. Okay, now, Tom, let's hear. Okay, I will have to ask you about this. Now, Tommy, okay, listen. Now, Tommy, when will, okay, another question, Tom. When will you go to the restaurant? Another, when will you go to the restaurant?
Restaurant.
Yeah, when will you go to the restaurant? You will eat.
Eat.
Yeah, when will you go there? You will? When?
Restaurant.
When, restaurant is a place where you will eat. Here, this is the, I will write the spelling. Restaurant. A place where you eat. Okay, it's a place where you eat. Okay, do you understand this word, restaurant? You know that word? You know this word?
Yeah.
Okay, it's the
Yeah.
place where you eat. Okay, it is the place where you eat. It's the restaurant. Okay, it's the restaurant. It's the place where you eat. Okay, for a while, Tom. Okay, so here, when will it means, okay, again, Tom, when will you eat in the restaurant? When? It will be, okay, come.
I do know restaurant.
Restaurant, again, look at teacher, restaurant, it is the place where you eat. Like you will go outside and you will eat. The name of the place is restaurant. Okay, do you understand? The big
Yeah.
place where you eat, it's the restaurant. Where you dine in. Yeah, you understand now?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So it will be, when will you eat in the restaurant?
Yeah.
You understand? You understand?
I be on
Go. It will be on
Friday.
Friday. Yeah. Teacher, we will eat on the restaurant on Friday. It will be on Friday. Okay. Tom, you understand this word, win well. You understand will. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Tommy. Okay, here. Next one.
When will Sports Day be?
It'll be on Saturday.
Okay, wait for a while. I have to erase first. Okay, let us hear some of the things.
When
Okay.
will Sports Day be?
It'll be on Saturday.
Okay. When will be the sports day be? It will be on
Saturday.
Saturday. It will be on Saturday. The sports day will be on Saturday. Okay. Okay, it will be on Saturday. So we have here. Okay, that's Saturday. When will be again? When will be Dutch Independence Day?
I be on Thursday.
Very good. When will be the Teacher's Day?
It be on Sunday.
Okay, very good. When will be the Children's Day?
It's be on Friday.
Okay, it will be.
It will be on Friday.
Okay, it will be on Friday. Okay, very good. It will be. Okay, it will be. Again, one more. When will be the Children's Day?
It will be on Friday.
It will be on Friday. Okay, very good. Now we'll be having the speaking task or the speaking. Okay, talk about your school events. Okay, do you know your school events like sports day, what teachers day? That's school events.
Merry
Okay.
Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Yeah, Christmas day. You have Christmas there? You have?
Yeah.
When will be your Christmas? And you have your tet, right? You have your tet? Yeah, you have your tet. Okay. So when will be, okay, this is the pattern, right? It will be on Sunday. Like teacher asked, Tom, when will be the Children's Day? It will be on Thursday, teacher. Okay. So now, Tom, lesson this one. Okay. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, you will have to listen and match. Okay. Listen and match. Okay, lesson, Tom.
1,
Hi, Mai. What are you doing?
I'm practicing for the singing contest.
When will it be?
It'll be on Independence Day.
2, what are Tony and Fong doing?
They're playing table tennis.
Why are they playing table tennis now?
They're preparing for Teacher's Day.
3,
Will you take part in the music festival? Yes, I will. When will it be? It'll be on Children's Day.
Okay, Tom, did you hear it? Okay, so what's number one? What is the match for number one?
Is C.
Letter C. Let's see this.
1,
Oh, sorry.
Hi, Mai.
Okay,
What are you...
Okay, number two, the answer for number two is?
B.
B, and number three?
Oh, no. Number 2 is A.
Okay, let's see here. 1 C, 2 B, 3 is A. Okay, we will listen that again. We will listen.
doing?
No.
I'm practicing.
Mai, what are you doing?
I'm practicing for the singing contest.
Letter C.
When will it be?
It'll be on Independence Day.
Letter C.
2, what are Tony and Fong doing?
They're playing table tennis.
Why are they playing table tennis now?
They're preparing for Teacher's Day.
Okay, A. Oh, it's
3,
A, right?
Will you take part in the music festival? Yes, I will. When will it be? It'll be on Children's Day.
Okay, Tom, you are correct, right? 1 is letter C, 2 is letter A, 3 is letter B. Yay! Correct, you're correct, right? Okay, this one is wrong. You are correct. Okay, that is why teacher wants to let you listen once again because the answers here are not correct. Okay, so read and watch. Okay, can you draw a line with this? Can you draw the line? Do you know? Okay,
Yeah.
do you have paper? Okay, give me. You have paper? You answer 1 to 5. Answer A only. Please answer letter. Okay. And then tell teacher and after. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you think and answer the letter only. In your paper, you write there. Where's your paper? You have paper, you answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So are we done? Okay, here. Okay. Where's Tony now? What's your answer?
E.
It's letter E, teacher. Letter E. Oh, very good. What's Linda doing in the gym?
D.
Letter B. Oh, letter D. When will sports day
D.
be? Letter oh, it's letter A. What will Fong and Nam do on sports day?
C.
Letter C. Very good. Will you take part in the singing contest?
I.
Will you take part in the singing contest?
B. B.
Letter B, teacher. Yay. You've got one wrong. Okay. Next one. It's okay. Okay. Writing. Write about your favorite event in the school. Your school. This will be your homework. I will just send this as your homework later. Okay. So we have here some sentence stress. Okay. We have here some sentence stress. When will sports day be? It will be on Sunday. What are you going to do on sports day? I'm going to play football. Okay, that's the question again. When will sports day be? It will be on Sunday. What are you going to do on sports day? I'm going to play football. Okay. So again, teacher will ask, when will sports day be, Tom? And
It will be on Sunday, teacher.
okay, what are you going to do on sport day, Tom?
I'm going to play football, teacher.
Very good. This is what we call the sentence stress. You understand already how to use the word, the expression when will. You understand this now? You understand, Tom? You understand,
Yeah.
teacher? Okay, very good. That's my
Yeah.
boy. Okay, next. And you also understand how to answer. It will be. Do you understand also? You
Yeah.
understand? Oh, yeah. I love it. Very good, Tom. Good job, Tommy. Okay, here. For lesson 2, look at this one. Okay, in lesson 2, again, look, listen, and repeat.
It's
Yes,
only 2 weeks
it'll be
until
great.
sports day.
Okay, it's only 2 weeks until sports day. Yes?
Yes. It will be great.
Okay.
Where will it be? In the sports ground near our school.
Where will it be, Tom?
In the spot ground near of school.
Okay, very good. Next.
What are you going to do on Sports Day, Mai?
What are you going to do on Sports Day, Mai?
I'm going to play table
What's your
tennis.
answer? What are you going to do on
I'm
Sports
going
Day,
to
Tom?
I'm going to
To
play table tennis.
Okay, I'm going to play table tennis.
What about you, Tony? What are you going to do on Sports Day?
What about you, Tony?
What are you going to do on Sport Day?
Fong and I are going to play football. Our class will play against Class 5E.
Okay, we will repeat. I will be reading this one. What about you, Tony? What are you going to do on Sports Day? Your answer? Pong?
Tom and I are going to play football. Our class will play against class 5E.
Okay, very good. Okay, here. So we have now the grammar. Okay. So what are
Grammar.
you going to do on Sports Day? Look at this one. In lesson 1, we learn when will, right? Here, we are going to learn, okay, here, teacher will note. What are you going? It's are you going? I'm going to. This is present progressive tense. We are in the lesson 1, Tom, we learn will, future. Here we learn progressive tense. Okay, look at here. Okay, for a while. Progressive tense. Okay. In here, we learn progressive tense. Okay. Again, what are you going to do on Sports Day? That's the first. I'm going to blank, blank, blank. Okay. This one, going to is progressive tense. Okay. Progressive tense. Again, progressive tense.
Progressive tense.
Okay, this one, Tommy, this is progressive tense. Okay, this one. So we are going now to learn progressive tense. What are you going to do on Sports Day?
I am going to play football.
I am going to play football. Okay. What are you going to do on Sports Day? Again?
I am going to play football.
Okay, very good. Okay, here. Can you see, Tom? We use here the expression I. Always remember that if you use I, there is always You cannot say IS, IR. No, it's I am. I am. Okay, Tom? The partner of I is am. Okay. What are you going to do on Sports Day? I am going to play football, teacher. Okay. Next one here. Point and say, okay, wait for teacher. We're going to erase. I will erase first. Okay. Point and say. Okay. What are you going to do on Sports Day? Okay.
What are you going to do on Sports Day?
Sorry. I'm going
I'm going to play basketball.
Okay, another. What are you going to do on Sports Day, Tom?
I'm going to play basketball, teacher.
Okay, what else? This one. I'm going to play
table tennis.
Okay, I'm going to play
badminton.
I'm going to play
football.
Play football. Okay, very good. So I'm going to play badminton. I'm going to play table tennis. I'm going to play football.
Badminton.
Football and badminton. Okay, speaking. Talk about Sports Day. When will Sports Day be? Okay, again. When will the sports day be? Okay. It will be on
Monday.
Monday. Okay, again, I will ask. We are now going to talk about sports day. Tom, when will sports day be?
It will be on Monday.
Okay, it will be on Monday, teacher. What are you going to do?
Mm, I play football.
Okay, I'm going to play football. Again, I will ask. When will sports day be?
I am
No,
going
no, no,
to
no.
play
Again,
football.
again. When will sports day be?
I'm going to
No,
play
no,
football.
here. It will be on, again. When will sports day be? Go, Tom. Go.
It will be on Monday.
Very good. What are you going to do?
Going to play football.
Okay. When will sports day be?
It
It will.
will be on Monday.
Okay. What are you going to do?
I'm going to play football.
Very good. Okay. Yay. Next one here. So you have to listen a number. You put number of this. Okay.
1,
Correct.
When will sports day be?
1,
When will sports day be?
It'll be on Saturday.
Will you take part in it?
Yes, I will.
2,
What are you going to do on sports day?
I'm going to play badminton.
I like badminton. Let's play it together.
3,
It's only a week until sports day.
That's right. It'll be a great day.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to play table tennis.
4,
What are you doing?
I'm practicing for sports day.
Are you going to play basketball on that day?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Tom, did you listen it clearly?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is number 1? Okay, can you mark number 1? What's number 1? It's,
Table tennis.
okay, here first, not table tennis first. What's number 1 here? Number 1 is?
Table tennis.
Okay, are you sure table tennis?
1,
Okay, sorry.
When will sport...
Number 1 is?
Wow.
Sports day. What's number 2?
Is no.
This is?
Basketball.
It's badminton. And number 3?
Is table tennis.
Okay, number 4? It's basketball. Okay, we will lesson it again if the answers is correct. You listen carefully. Okay, lesson.
sports day be?
Okay, that's correct.
It'll
Number
be
1.
on Saturday.
Will you take part in it?
Yes, I will.
2,
What are you going to do on sports day?
I'm going to play badminton.
I like badminton. Let's play it together.
3, It's only a week until sports day.
That's right. It'll be a great day.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to play table tennis.
4,
What are you doing?
I'm practicing for sports day.
Are you going to play basketball on that day?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so is it correct, Tom? Is the answer correct?
Yeah.
Is
No.
it correct? No? Okay, let me see. Why? Prove it to me.
1,
Okay, one.
Okay.
Lesson number 2.
Will you take part in it?
Listen.
Yes, I
What's
will.
number 2?
2.
What are you going to do on sports day?
I'm going to play badminton.
Oh,
I like badminton.
it's
Let's play it
correct.
together.
Ah,
3.
it's correct.
It's only a week until sports day.
That's right. It'll be a great day.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to play table tennis.
It's correct, right? It's correct. Okay. Number 1. Number 2, badminton. Number 3, table tennis. And number 4, sports day. Sports day. Basketball. Okay. Okay, now, write about you. Okay. How about you? So when will sports day be at your school, Tom? When will be your sports day?
Oh.
Okay, when? Do you know when will be your sports day? You have to tell me and I will be the one to write.
No.
Okay, do you know when will be? Oh, just imagine when will it be? It will be
On Monday. I know.
on
On
Monday.
Tuesday.
Okay, on Monday. Okay. Next, where will it be? Where? Where are you going to have the sports day?
Oh.
Well, will be on
Um. hmm. Saturday.
it will be on where? Where? In the school, in the playground, where?
On. mm,
In the school ground, where? In the gym.
picture.
Okay, when?
Mm,
It will be on?
School.
Okay, it will be on? It will be
School.
school ground. It will be at the school ground. The school ground. Next, what are you going to do, Tom? I am
going to play football.
play football. Oh, you like football a lot. Okay. Next, what are your classmates going to do? What are your classmates going to do? Okay, here, look at this one.
Classmates.
They are
5.
going to what? Your classmates, you're going to play basketball, what?
Basketball. Badminton.
Okay, they're going to play basketball, badminton, what else?
Kéo.
Basketball, badminton, and what? Soccer. How about soccer? Or what's that? What's that? Table tennis.
Two.
Table tennis?
No.
No, okay, you think. You
Two.
tell me. What's that?
Two.
What is that? What game is that? It's, what's the game? Basketball, badminton, soccer, football, volleyball, basketball, volleyball, table tennis, what's that? Chess. What? Okay.
Is
Is that your brother?
sorry.
Okay, okay, okay.
Lên đi đi. Em còn học. Mình đóng cửa vào nhá. Ăn chưa? Okay.
Okay, what is that?
It's yeah.
It's badminton. What's this? Basketball. No. What's that?
Talk.
What game is that? You were going to throw a plate?
No. It's
What's that? Softball. Softball. You were going to bat. You were going to do like that. That's softball. Baseball and softball. Chuk like that.
Yeah.
It's softball and softball. Okay, so you are going to battle that battle to throw the softball. Okay, okay, yeah, teacher. Try to understand. Okay, that's all very good, Tom. Okay, we will ask. Okay, I will be asked, and you will answer. What did teacher Ann did? Okay, when will sports day be at your school, Tom? Answer.
It will be on Monday.
Where will it be?
It will be at the school ground.
School ground. Okay, sorry, Daddy. What are you going to do?
I am going to play football.
What are your classmates going to do?
They are going to play basketball, badminton, and softball.
Oh, yeah, very good. So, can you see this, Tom? Teacher Ann is trying to use the word they, okay? I use the word they because teacher is referring to the classmates. Classmates, many, right? You have many classmates. How many classmates do you have? How many classmates do you have? Do you have? How many?
First 4, 9.
You have how many classmates? You have? You have 10, 15, how many?
49.
Oh, you have 49? Many?
Yeah.
Oh my God. What's the name of your school, Tom?
It's school primary school. Tina Primary School.
It's Tina
Primary School.
Is it far in your house or near? Is it far in your house or near? Far or near? Far or near?
Yeah.
Far? Very far in your house? Far?
No.
It's near.
Pass.
Very far. Far? As in far? You know what the word far?
Yeah.
Far.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So look at this one. Teacher is using the word they. Look at this one. Teacher is using the word they because I am referring to classmates. Classmates are many. Classmates. So therefore, it's many. Okay? So when we say classmates mainly, so teacher and use the word they are, okay? Because are
Okay.
is per plural, it's many. Teacher Ang told you about that already. It's many, it's plural, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yay, very good, good job. Okay, let's move here. Let's move now. Okay, we have a, wait, teacher was going to erase this one.
Oh.
Sentence stress.
Hurry.
Sentence stress. Okay. I will read and you will answer. When will sports day be, Tom?
It will be on Sunday.
What are you going to do on sports day?
I'm going to play football.
I'm going very good. Again, one more. When will sports day be? When will
It
sports...
will be on Sunday.
Okay. What are you going
Sunday.
to do on sports day?
I'm going to play football.
Okay, I'm going to play football, my dear. Yay! Okay, now we are here in lesson 3. Lesson 3, Tom, we have here new words. We have here new words.
Tell stories. Make greeting card.
Okay, we only have 2 words in in lesson 3. Tell story. You know the word tell stories? You will tell the stories. Do you know that word?
No, no.
Yeah. I
I,
will tell a story. You know that word? Kicho, kichuyan. You know that
yeah.
word? I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
tell a story. Okay. Make a greeting card. I will make a greeting card for Tom. Again, make a greeting card. I will make a greeting card for Tom.
Uh, oh, yeah.
I will make a greeting card for Tom. Make a greeting card. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so do you understand make a greeting card?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, teacher. I knew it, teacher. I knew it. Okay, here. The grammar. Okay, Tom, by the way, for a while, I will just go to the bathroom. For a while, okay? Teacher will go to the bathroom for a while.
Oh.
Okay, I'm here. Teacher is having a bad stomach.
Miss.
I want to
Hungry.
I want to poop. Okay, you know the word poop? You know the word
Yeah.
poop? Poop? Do you know the word poop?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. What is that? What are you drawing? What is that? It's a
No.
test? It's a test?
No. Conan.
What is
Conan.
that? Okay, here, look at this one. We are now in grammar. Look at this one. The going to future. You understand that? First, in lesson 1, we discussed when will, right? In lesson 2, we discussed going to, are going to, right? So in lesson
Yeah.
3, we have here going to future. Okay. Use of going to future. Lesson to teacher. Intentions. What is the intentions for this? We use be going to talk about future plans and intention. Your future plan. What will be your plan in the future? In the future, tomorrow, next week, next year, next Saturday, next month, next weekend. Oh, it's in the future. Oh, next day. Very good. Okay. It's about future plan and your intentions. Look at this one. Teacher Anne, what do you mean by intentions? Okay, intentions means, it means the thing that you do. Your intention. What do you want to do? Your intentions. Okay. Usually, the decision about future plan has already been made. Okay. It's already finished. Okay. First here, I will give example. Look at this one. She's going to play badminton in sport day at school. So this is your plan. You will going to play badminton in school. Again, your plan, you will going to play badminton in sports day at school. You will going to play, Tom. You will going to play badminton in sport day at school. You plan it. You plan it, Tom. You know the word you plan it? You know that?
No.
Oh, means plan it means you already want or you want to do it. Want. You want to do it. Plan. You want to do it in future, like you will do it tomorrow. Okay. Like next weekend. Okay. Sorry. Okay, like that. So look at here, Tom. Okay. Look at this one. Okay. Plan, it means you want to do it in future. Like you will do it tomorrow. You will do it next weekend. You will do it next month. So that is your plan. Look at sentence number 1, Tommy. She's going to play badminton in sports day. So you plan, you want to play badminton in sports day. Do you understand me? Do you understand, teacher? Okay.
Yeah.
So you plan or you want to do badminton in sports day at school. Number 2, I'm going to take part in school. I'm going to take part in school day. Take part in sports day at school. So you said, okay, you said, Teacher Anne, I'm going to take part in a football game in sports day. So you said, Tom, you told me that, Teacher Anne, I'm going to take part in sports day. What is it, Tom? I want to join football team. I want to play football. Okay. So, you understand me, Tom? Do you understand, teacher?
Yeah.
Okay. So, it means, Tom, your intentions, the one, your wants, the thing, your intentions, or the thing that you want to do is that you are going to play badminton or you are going to play football on sports day. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
Okay, because we are talking here about future. It's not happening yet. You told me like teacher, like next month, next week, next year, next Saturday, next Sunday. Oh, that's future. Not happening yet, Tom. Not happening yet.
Oh.
Do you understand, teacher?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, very good. Good job. Oh, are you intelligent? Wow, very good, my Tommy. By the way, Tommy, why are you late? Why are you late? Because where did you go? You go somewhere? You go out?
No.
Just in the house?
No house.
Where did you go?
Yeah. Mm,
In the shop? Outside the house? Outside the house?
no, it's the house. It's
What is that? What is that? It is?
answer.
Okay, you go somewhere. It's in the, you eat, you shop in the shopping mall like that.
Answer.
Aha, okay, whatever. Okay. So my question, do you understand this? Do you understand, teacher Ann?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good, Tommy. Yay, good job, my Tommy boy. Okay, here.
Amazing good job.
Oh, you shop?
Amazing good job.
Oh, okay, here. Look at this. Okay. Oh, wait. I will erase first. Okay. Okay. Look at this, Tommy. Okay. Next is first. Teacher Ann told you your intention. You will use going to for intention, like what you want to do. You told me you want, teacher, I am going to play football. Okay. Like you said, teacher,
Class?
I am going to play football. That is future. I am going. Okay. Okay, next. Another thing is you can use going to for predictions. Like if you were going to predict something, okay? You will use going to for predictions. Like you will predict something. You will say something, you will tell something, you will predict something. Okay. So you will use that word. Okay. So productions, what is a teacher? What do you mean by productions? Okay, I will type here. Wait for a while. I will type here. Okay, wait.
Oh. What thing is
Okay,
maybe
wait for a while. I will have productions. I will type the word production and I will let you hear for a while. Okay. Okay, for a while. Wait for a while. Productions. Pongduan. It's a Pongduan production.
Okay.
Wait. Pongduan. Let's hear a thing. Production. Wait. What? Wait. What's that? What is that, teacher Ann? Okay, here. Okay.
That's what?
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Prediction. Wait.
Oh.
Pong Duan
Okay.
here.
Okay,
Pong,
okay, okay.
Pong Duan, you understand?
Yeah. Pong Duan.
Oh, Pong Duan? I don't know how to read it. It's Pong Duan. Tom, Pong Duan?
Phỏng đoán.
Oh, yeah. Pong Duan's Productions.
It is.
Okay, do you understand? Do you understand? Okay, do you understand? Okay, Pong Duan. It's Pong Duan. We use be going to project something that we think is certain to happen or which we have evidence for now. You project Pong Duan. Okay. So you will say it's Pong Duan. Okay. Pong Duan. It's productions. Pong Duan. Teacher learned Vietnamese today. I love Pong Duan. Now it's okay. What is the Vietnamese of hi?
Oh.
Hi. Hi. What is that in Vietnamese?
Chào.
Ciao. Ciao. How about
Xin
good
chào.
evening? Good evening.
Chúc buổi sáng.
Good evening. What is that?
Chúc buổi
Chúc quý.
chúc
Chúc
chúc buổi chiều.
chúc. What is that? I will say chin chào. That's good evening. Hello. Chin chào. Ciao. Ciao is good. Hello. How about thank you?
Cảm ơn.
Come on. It's ban quao. I know thank you ban quao.
Teacher learn Vietnamese.
Teacher learn Vietnamese. Okay. I need to say ciao Tom. Ciao. Okay. Ciao Tom. Ciao. I will learn Vietnamese. Okay. Okay. So now here, ciao Tom. Ciao. Okay. So now here, so look up the example here. Okay. Tom, it's Pong Duan. It's productions. Okay. Pong Duan here. So it's going to snow again soon. Okay. You make your Pong Duan, your production that there is a snow again soon. So the speaker, Teacher Ann, I am the one who talk. I am the talker. I am the speaker, the one who talk. Can probably see dark clouds. Okay, maybe I see dark clouds, dark snow clouds. So one example. Tom, I think I'm going to go back to my house because it's going to rain. Okay. It's going to rain. So I think I Pong Duan do the productions. I do Pong Duan that it's going to rain. Do you understand? Oh, you're covering your. Okay, I cover also because it's raining. Oh, I cover because it's rain. Oh, you have your. You have your Hero Academia jacket. What? Oh, I love the jacket. What's that? It's a Batman.
Peacock.
Oh, it's Spider-Man.
Peacock.
Oh, it's Hero Academia jacket. It's
Puppy.
Japanese. Oh, yeah. I don't know. Can I see?
Puppy Peacock.
Yeah. I know that. It's in TV. I know that. Hey, you love to wear jacket, right? You love jackets?
Yeah.
Oh, I love jacket t-shirts. Okay. So again, Tom, Pong Duan is a prediction. Like it's going to snow again soon. So you predict. Teacher Ann told you, Tom, it's going to snow again soon. So you predict that there probably I can see the dark snow clouds. So example, if it's going to rain, what can you see in the clouds? It's dark, right? It's dark. If it's raining, it's dark. Oh my God, Tom, let's go back to the house because it's going to rain. Why, teacher? How did you know that? Because I can see dark clouds. Okay, another. There is a man, Tom, and he said, look out, Teacher Ann. He's going to break that glass. Okay. Oh, what's that? Okay, I will say, look at Teacher Ann. Look out, Teacher Ann. Look out. He's going to break that glass. You know break the glass? You know, breaking the glass? You understand?
Yeah.
You understand breaking the glass?
Yeah.
Okay. It's
Yeah.
going. Yeah, look out, teacher, and he's going to break the glass. You break the glass. He's going to break the glass. Okay. He's going to break the glass. So you have to come. Hurry, hurry. Fast. What is hurry in Vietnam? In Vietnamese. What is
Vietnamese.
hurry? Yeah, wait here. This one.
Ủa?
For a while here. What is this
No.
word?
Nói.
Nói. Okay. Nói. Okay. Oh, fast. Nói. Okay.
I'm very hungry.
What? Not hungry. Hurry. This one. Hungry.
I hungry.
Hungry is this. Hungry. This is hurry. Hurry is fast. Hungry is hungry. Okay. So what is hungry? Hungry. What is hungry? Vietnamese. I am hungry. What is that in Vietnamese?
Tôi đang đói.
Coi đằng đó.
Oh, yeah.
Teacher don't know. Coi đằng đó. Teacher, and it's coi đằng đó. Okay. Oh my God, teacher. Oh my God, teacher. Okay. So Tom, you understand this? I love your jacket. I like your jacket, Tommy. Today I like the jackets. You keep on wearing the jackets. You like jackets?
Yeah.
You like yeah. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? What happened? What happened, Tom? Okay. Okay. So, Tom, we have 10 minutes left. We have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes. Okay. So, you understand this, Tom? Use of the be going to the future. You understand this? You understand? Yeah, very good. Okay, you can drink water now. You drink water first. Go. Okay, if you want to drink water, you can go drink water and just come back. Drink water. Water, you drink. You don't like water? Okay. Okay, here. Next, Tommy, next is the use of going to future. Next is the use of be going to future commands. Okay, what is the use of commands? What is command, teacher? What do you mean by command? It means you will say something like, Tom, give me a water. That's command. You know command? Tom, give me a water. Okay, Tom. Teacher, here's the water, teacher. Here's the water. That's command. Tom, give me a food. Okay. Teacher, I don't have food. That's command. Tom, you will go to the school. Okay, that's command. Tom, I want your jacket. Give it to me. Jacket, give it to me. That's command. Do you understand command?
Yeah.
Okay. We use be going to when we give commands. When we give commands like, I state that something is obligatory or you need to do it. You need to do it. Like this is the parent to child. Example, your mom. Your mom will say, okay, Tom.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Tom, you're going to pick up all those toys right now because your room is a mess. Okay. Tom, you're going to pick up all those toys right now because your room is a mess. It's a mess. It's very dirty room. Okay. Your mom will say, Tom, you're going to pick all those toys right now because your room is very dirty. Okay. That's a command. Okay. Another, give me example of command. You give me example of command. Yeah. Give me example of command. Okay.
Oh.
Example of command. Go, Tommy. Give me example of command.
Mm, um, learn.
Oh, command. Okay, learn. Okay. Tom, you're going to learn now with Teacher Ann. That's command. And your mother said, yeah, is that true? Because Teacher Ann is in Zoom already. She is waiting. Okay, that's command, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what else? What else?
Um, mm, the,
What else, Tommy? You're going to go. You're going to learn Teacher Ann now because Teacher Ann is waiting.
going to school.
Oh, okay. Tom, you're going to wake up. You're going to get up fast early because you're
Going to bed.
Ah, okay. Tom, you're going to bed late. Okay, your mom will tell you that
10 p.m.
10 p.m. Oh, you go to sleep at 10 p.m. Tom,
Yeah.
you have to, or you're going to go. You're going to bed at 10 p.m. now. Okay. What
Go to
else?
wash dishes.
What?
Go to wash dishes.
Oh, Tom, you're going to wash dishes now. Are you washing the dishes? You wash dishes? You wash, Tommy?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Really? Are you telling the truth? You wash dishes? You wash
Sweeping.
Okay. Tom, I am your mom. And I keep going. Come on. Tom, you're going to sweep the floor now because the floor is so dirty. Sweeping. You're going to sweep the floor. What else? So many commands.
Beaten.
What?
Beaten.
Beaten. What's that?
Oh.
What is that?
Yeah.
What is that? You will be beaten. No, of course. Another word. Another. What your mom will say. What your mom will say. Okay, another. You think
Learn homework.
So Tom, you're going to do your homework. You're going to do your homework now because that is what Teacher Ann told you. Oh, so the one we mentioned on all the one we mentioned, they are command. Okay, you understand command? You understand now? Okay, very good, my Tommy boy. Okay, you understand command. Okay, you're going to sweep the floor. You're going to bed at 10 p.m. Okay. Okay, here, this is, please answer this one. Put the verbs in the correct form. Okay, example, I will give you example. Oh, what's it? Okay, wait for a while, Tom. Use be going to. They will be going to eat stew. Okay. I will be wearing. Okay, this is quite hard for you. So this one, match picture to the correct sentence. Okay, it's very easy. Match the picture. Okay.
I'm very hungry.
You want to eat?
Very hungry.
You're very hungry now? You want to eat? You want to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. You eat?
No.
Okay, let's finish this. We still have 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes more. Okay. I am going to wash my hands. Where is the picture? Okay. Here, this one, right? That's number 1. Okay. Can you read number 2?
Either 1, 2, 3, 3. She is
No, number 2. The girl?
The girl is going to read a book.
Okay. Yes, number 2. Number 3.
She is going to get up. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
Oh, 4. Very good. Number 4.
They are going to play football. 2
2. Very good. Number 5.
is 5.
Okay. The rabbit is going to eat a carrot. Do you like carrot,
5.
Tommy? Do you like carrots?
No, no.
You don't like?
No.
You don't like? Oh, okay. So sentence rest again. So I will read and you will answer. When will sports day be, Tom?
It will be on Sunday.
What are you going to do on the sports day?
I'm going to play football.
Okay, so now teacher Ann will have okay, so we are in lesson 3 only. We will not continue lesson 4. 1, 2, 3 only. Okay, listen. 1, 2, 3 only. So in first one, lesson 1, we study about will, right?
Oh
Lesson 2, we study about are going, right? Lesson 3, teacher Ann tell you about going to the future. That's number 3, right? Number 3.
Yeah.
Lesson 1, again, will. Lesson 2, are going to. Lesson 3, teacher Ann told you about are going to. Okay? Okay, Tommy? Okay. Okay. So now, teacher will give you a homework later. I will ask you to play sentence. I will give questions and you will have to answer, okay? So, Tom, did you understand the lesson? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, are you hungry now? You want to eat? You want to eat? Eat.
It's
What's your favorite food? Your favorite food? Food. Yeah. What is your favorite food?
Eat.
Yeah.
Eat.
Yeah.
Eat.
What is your favorite one? Food. Chicken. You like chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't like chicken? You don't like chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, how about sandwich? You like sandwich?
Sandwich?
Yeah. Sandwich, a bread.
I don't know.
You don't know sandwich, a bread?
I
like what? What do you like? Yes, what do you like? Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Oh, you like ice cream?
No. Bim bim.
You don't like ice cream? How about burger? Burger.
Snack.
Yeah, snacks. Fries. Chicken. This one. Pizza. You like pizza?
Yeah.
You like pizza a lot? Pizza?
Yeah.
Really? Okay. One more. You like cake? You don't like cake?
Cake? No.
Yeah. Chocolate?
Chocolate? No.
You don't like chocolate?
Yeah.
What else do you like? Spaghetti. You like spaghetti? Pasta. What? Pasta. Do you like pasta? No, teacher. I don't like pasta at all. Okay, Tom. So you are hungry. How about noodles? You like noodles?
Hot dog.
Hot dog. You like hot dogs?
Hot dog.
Hot dogs. Oh, teacher, hot dogs. Oh, you like hot dogs?
Yeah.
Oh, how about noodles? You like noodles?
It's very good.
It's very good. You like? Oh, wow. Noodles. You like noodles? This one. Noodles. You like that?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. No, teacher. Okay, so you wanna eat now. You want to eat because you're hungry, right? You want to eat because you're hungry? You're hungry now?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you want to eat now? It's in the kitchen. The food is there. You're very hungry.
Mm.
Teacher, I'm very hungry now. I want to eat. Okay. So for now, Tom, thank you for being with teacher. I am so happy that you are with me. Teacher is so happy
Oh,
with Tommy. Bye bye,
good
Tom.
teacher.
Okay, bye. You eat now. Eat.
Yeah.
Eat the hot dog. You're hungry.
Oh,
Eat. Oh, eat now. Bye bye, Tom.
goodbye, teacher. See
Okay,
you.
see you, of course. Bye bye.
Oh, speech, speech, speech.